Huh. Now, what concaving means is, you can see this bat, right? I hope. Okay, you can see it, right? So see here, the the woodsman, for keeping its weight down, it has shaped this area. Okay, यहाँ से उसने वुड निकाल के, यहाँ से निकाल के, यहाँ से निकाल के, तो it has somehow brought its weight down. What it has done is that it has given a big edge feeling. Okay, this आप यहाँ देख रहे हो, ये जो इसका स्वीट स्पॉट है, इसका कितना बड़ा एज है, एंड इट हैज़ गिवन अ बिग स्पाइन. स्पाइन, ये चीज़ आपकी स्पाइन कहलाती है. ओके, तो ये आपको दोनों तो बड़े बड़े दिख रहे हैं, बट व्हाट इट हैज़ डन इज दैट इट हैज़ रिड्यूस्ड द हिटिंग एरिया. Now what I mean by reducing hitting area, I again go to the bat which I have broken, and why I say it was the best bat for me. See this. Okay, you can hardly see any wood taken out from here, right? This is called full profile bat. It has the big edges. So when I bought this bat, it was almost 1200 grams, and the balance of this bat was so good that it always felt less than its dead weight. It always felt like almost 1150 grams. Now what happens that when you hit the ball, okay, now if you have a full profile, okay, if you hit the ball here, I mean its middle is this much, hitting area is this much, this is called hitting area. Okay, so अगर आपका कॉन्केविंग नहीं है पीछे से, मतलब आपका वुड शेव ऑफ नहीं किया गया, तो योर हिटिंग एरिया विल इंक्रीज. So if you will hit it here, you are getting wood. If you are hitting it here, you are still getting a decent amount of wood. If you are hitting it here, still you are getting a decent amount of wood. Okay, so what it has done is that full profile has increased your hitting area, and it has made your middle a little more forgiving. Forgiving in the sense कि अगर आप दाएं बाएं से भी मारते हो, I mean if your ball is not precisely in the middle but a little off the center, still you can stroke the ball and punch the ball, and the ball will travel with the same speed as it has been hit with the middle. Why? Because you are having more amount of wood in here. On the contrary to the bat which has decent concaving,